Hi Daniel, my Neff T42D20X0/01 won't turn on at hob. Switch at wall turned on and showing red, but actual hob won't turn on. There are intermittent flashes of red on the hob. I've tried holding down it in case it was locked, have tried holding power button but to no avail.
Hi, I'm Daniel and I'll be helping you today. I've been repairing white goods for 20 plus years. And currently work for a well-known manufacturer. Okay, there isn't much inside Therese induction hobs other than 2 power boards, 4 magnetic plates and a mains connection box. Now the magnetic plates won't cause this fault. What you need to do is remove the hob and turn it upside down, and from there you will see the mains connection box. Open it and check to see if Therese any signs are burning in there, as they can burn and cause this kind of fault. If that looks okay, then it's looking like one of the power boards are at fault. You need to remove the glass top and the magnetic plates to access the boards. Take them out and see if Therese any signs of burning on them. Check the wiring connections on them both and the touch board at the front as well. I'm afraid it sounds like there's a fault in there to cause this. It won't be nothing to do with the child lock, I'm afraid. If you need any more info, just get back to me. Regards.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert, now visit JustAnswer.com/YTHI.